What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when Gmail is not sending emails when they are queued on your mobile device. First, open the Gmail app on your mobile device. Tap on the three lines icon at the upper left corner to open the menu. Scroll down and tap on Settings. Here, you'll see a list of your email accounts. Click on the email account you're having trouble with. Scroll down to the bottom and find the Sync Gmail option. Uncheck the box next to it and confirm by clicking OK. With that done, press and hold the power button to restart your phone and apply the changes. After your phone restarts, open the Gmail app again. Go back to the settings by tapping the three lines icon and then Settings, and select your email account again. Scroll down and recheck the Sync Gmail box. Close the Gmail app and then reopen it. All of your queued emails will be gone now. It should now be in your Sent folder, indicating that the email has been successfully sent. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.